What's up, friends? Welcome back to the channel. Saturday, March 29th, and guess what? Costco's Hot Buys are back. Let's check them out. I hope everyone's having a great weekend. And did you like yesterday's Costco clearance video? If you did, leave a comment below. Let's check out these Hot Buys. And just like yesterday, friends, I'm taking you along with me. We got the new cart cam mounted right on top. Let's get into the video. And starting the video off from Apple, we have their new MacBook Pro. This is their 14-inch laptop with the new M4 chip in it. We're looking at it in space black right in front of us. It has a 10-core CPU with a 10-core GPU, 16 gigs of RAM with a 512 gig solid-state hard drive. You can pick it up for $150 off the price at $1,399.99. If you need a little bit more RAM, you can pick up this model right here with 24 gigs of RAM for $1,749.99. Both of them are great laptops. I think moving forward, we'll follow the flyer one by one in sequential order. Let's go find the bath tissue up next. And here we go, we found it. Let's park the cart, let's go have a look. Next up, we have the Charmin Ultra Soft Bath Tissue. Now this is 2-ply. We have 213 sheets, 30 rolls in total. A very popular seller here at Costco. Look how many already sold, and it's only about 11 a.m. Now this is a great price to pick them up at. $6 off the price. You can grab this here at the warehouse for $24.89. Just give me one moment to film that price sign. Here we go, $24.89. Next up from Sunvilla, we have the Nicholas. This is their 7-piece sling outdoor dining set. Now, if you are wondering why you can see couches in the background, that's because this was filmed actually 3 weeks ago because the warehouse I was at today, they didn't have one on display. So I brought up an older clip here so you can view the dining room table just in case you want to buy it. So today for Hot Buys, they're taking $200 off the price, bringing it down to $999.99. And next up from Costco's Hot Buys, we have their Dyson V10 Animal. Now this is their cordless vacuum cleaner. Now I do actually own 2 of these, but I'm still not impressed. What I am impressed about is Dyson's customer service. When my first vacuum broke, they started sending me so many parts that I was able to assemble 2 full vacuums. That's how many parts they started sending me, which was pretty nice of them. Now it does have up to 60 minutes of runtime, 3 different cleaning modes, and 30% more suction power than the Dyson V8. So you can pick it up today, $100 off the price, bringing it down to $399.99. And now from Wonderful, we have their pistachios, salt and pepper. We have this massive bag here, 3 pounds in total. Now these I do love. Well, I love pistachios, not this brand. Now these are the salt and pepper. They do have 160 calories per serving. Let me turn that bag around. 8 grams of carbs, 6 grams of protein. And the reason why I don't like these, because they add dextrose to their pistachios. So that's a hard pass for me. $4 off the price, $13.79. And one of my favorites this time from Pure Vita, we have their fire roasted vegetables. Now we do get a nice sized bag here, 64 ounces. And now the mix here is red bell pepper, zucchini, yellow squash, red onions, and broccoli, all tossed in a nice avocado oil. Now I just came up with a new recipe. You grab a whole bag of this Pure Vita vegetables, you toss it in the Instapot with 3 pounds of grass-fed beef and a half a bottle of salsa, and you got yourself a nice vegetable chili. $4 off the price, $9.99, a good time to stock up. A good time to pick up some apples at this price point now. This time from Envy, we have 4 pounds of apples. That's a good amount of apples. Now these are sourced either from USA, Chile, or New Zealand. 4 pounds of apples, and today they're giving us a nice $2 off. That's going to bring the price down to $4.99. This is a great buy to pick up some apples, especially if you like juicing or making apple pie from scratch. $4.99 for 4 pounds. And now this time from Kirkland, we do have their garlic butter shrimp. Now we do get a 2 count here, so a total of 2 bags, 1 pound in total. Now this does look pretty yummy here, but I do like to make mine from scratch. Let's take a look at these macros. Actually, I'll pin it up right here, right in front of you. 350 calories per serving. That's for 1 cup, 3 grams of carbs, and 20 grams of protein. Shrimp is a great source of protein. Now these do look yummy, but the price is even better today. $5 off the price. That's going to bring it down to $9.99. And next up from Costco's Hot Buys, we do have their Beachcomber bag right in front of us. three different colors to choose from: the blue, the mint, and the orange. Now they did used to have a gray. I'm not sure if they sell that anymore. So right in front of us, this bag is super durable. If it gets dirt or sand in it, just take the garden hose and blast it right out. Now if you take a closer look at the bottom of the bag, you can see there it does have a little bit extra material. That gives it the stability and gives it the shape of the bag. In the cardboard box, they give you handles and the phone case holder that you do attach to it, which is pretty cool. Now today they're taking $10 off the price, bringing it down to $29.99. I am going to attach a couple other photos so you can get a better idea of what the bag looks like. And now from Sugar Bowl Bakery, we have our petite palmyras. We do get a total of 32 ounces here. Now these palmyras, they're made with simple ingredients, no artificial flavors or colors, no preservatives. These are kosher and they are delicious. Now let's have a look at these macros. I'll put it right up on the screen for you as well. 130 calories per serving, 16 carbs, 2 grams of protein, and they do have 4 grams of added sugar per cookie. $3 off the price, I'm bringing it down to $5.99. Now, I'm not sure if I mentioned it, friends, but today, all the deals in today's video, they're only valid to April 6th. Costco's Hot Buys, they're only valid for just over a week. They do end April 6th, so grab these deals while they last. And now, right in front of us, we do have the Waterloo, the sparkling water. We do get a 24 count here. Each can is 12 ounces. We get 8 lemon lime, 8 raspberry nectarine, and 8 blackberry lemonade. $2.50 off the price today, bringing it down to $7.49. And if you're looking for more of a pick-me-up, we have that as well. This time we have the Red Bull Original right in front of us, but no worries, we do have the sugar-free on sale right next to it as well. Now the Red Bull is a very popular drink here at Costco. Now today they're giving us a great discount. We have a 24 pack here. Now each can is only 8.4 ounces. These are the smaller ones, so keep that in mind. Now today, $8 off the pack, bringing it down to $30.99. Now the light version, the sugar-free, only has 5 calories per can. Another great deal from Costco's Hot Buys, we have their Boulder Canyon potato chips. Now these are made with avocado oil, classic sea salt. Look how many already gone. If you're going to give your little ones potato chips or you're going to eat potato chips in general, these are the ones to get. Check out those macros, 150 calories for 14 chips, 16 carbs, 3 grams of protein. But that's not why, it's because of the ingredients. Look how simple these ingredients are. Potatoes, avocado oil, and sea salt. That's it. Just 3 ingredients. Pretty incredible. Now today, they're taking $170 off the price, bringing it down to $4.89. And you do get a nice size bag here, 22 ounces. So if you are new to the channel, friends, and you're enjoying today's video so far, make sure you subscribe. We do cover Costco, Sam's Club, and Amazon. So if you love those stores, this is the channel for you. And don't forget, enter our giveaway. We have seen the Delsey Paris on my channel plenty of times. It's back on sale again, but this is the first time I've seen the red on display. Looks pretty awesome. Now this luggage set, it's very durable, lightweight, scratch resistant, has a 100% polycarbonate shell, which is pretty cool. We have a great discount today. We have 3 different colors to choose from: the dark gray, the red as we can see, and the light gray. So all 3 colors are available. TSA accepted. Now today, $40 off the price, bringing it down to $139.99. And next up from Costco's Hot Buys, if you love kombucha, we do have the Brew Doctor up next. Here it is, the organic raw kombucha, the variety pack. So what do we get here? We get 6 bottles. Each bottle is 14 ounces. We get the Island Mango, we get the Clear Mind, and we get the Super Berry. Now I do like the packaging in the box. Looks pretty awesome. But what I don't like is the sugar content. Has a pretty high sugar content for kombucha. Now it does have an average to 60-70 calories per bottle. And check out those sugar contents, 12 to 13 grams of added sugar per bottle. But today we have a pretty good discount, $4 off the price, bringing it down to $7.99. And perfect for those Friday, Saturday, and Sunday nights when you do have the munchies. This time we have the Mamma Mia's Mancini's Jumbo Beef Meatballs. Now they do mention right on the front, we're proud of our ingredients, so let's have a look at that. 48 ounces, also 3 pounds. Now let's have a look at the macros. Now it does have 240 calories per serving. That's for 6 ounces, 5 grams of carbs, no added sugar, and 14 grams of protein. I do like that. So we are getting a pretty good discount today. Now the ingredients also look pretty clean. Nothing crazy, but nothing organic as well. $3.50 off the price, $10.49. And come on, follow me down the garden section, friends. We do got a couple of hot buys that I want to go over. First up from Flexon, we have the 100-foot of contractor grade hose right in front of us. We have the green version. If you like a different color, they also sell a blue version available at Costco.com for $29.99. It's a little bit cheaper here at the warehouse, so keep that in mind. 100 feet in length, 5/8 of an inch thick. This is contractor grade hose. I did pick up a few last year on Manager Special for only $10, but they all burst on me. Now, if you read the reviews at Costco.com, a lot of people had the same exact issue, so you may want to skip this one. Pick one up at Home Depot, maybe a Continental, $5 off, $22.99. And then to my left, we do have the Orbit 3-piece nozzle set. One has a stainless steel wand, which is pretty great. Now, this 3-piece watering set is pretty useful, but the issue is quality control. Now, these type of items, garden hoses, nozzles, they're a burden to return, especially a garden hose. If it doesn't last and it breaks on you in a month, it can be such a burden to roll these up and bring it back to the store. So make sure when you buy these, you buy quality. Read the reviews once again. Now, here from Orbit, it's okay, not the greatest. You're going to pay for what you're going to get on this one. $4 off, $15.99. And just another friendly reminder, friends, do not forget about the giveaway that does end April 1st. If you want to learn more about the giveaway, watch till the end of this video. I'll go over it once again very quickly. Let's move on to the next product, friends. We do have some yummy for your tummy. And we do have the Annie's Organic Cinnamon Rolls right in front of us, a 3-pack, a total of 15 rolls. Now this does look pretty awesome, 17.5 ounces. Now let's have a look at these macros. These are going to blow you away. 320 calories per serving here, 53 grams of carbs, 24 grams of added sugar, and only 4 grams of protein. Today we have a pretty good discount besides the high carbs. Let's take a look at that. Now remember, friends, these are organic, which is pretty good. $4.50 off the price, $10.99. As my channel continues to grow, I do want to reevaluate when it comes to reading macros and calories and sugar content. Do you like that? Do you want me to continue that? I know a lot of people find it annoying, but also a lot of people find it useful. So leave a comment below. Let me know your thoughts, and should I continue? Should I stop? Maybe slow it down? Leave a comment below and let me know your thoughts. And for our fur babies, we have these chewable tablets, 180 count from Costco. Now these tablets are the #1 veterinary brand for joint health supplement. Today we're getting a nice $10 discount, bringing the price down to $23.99. And I'm walking around Costco. I can't find the ranch dressing anywhere. That's up next in Costco's Hot Buys. And here it is. It's actually hidden behind these flowers. What a coincidence. The Hidden Valley is actually hidden. So this is the home-style thick and creamy ranch dressing. And we get 2 bottles here. Each bottle is 40 ounces. So we get a total of 80 ounces of ranch dressing. That's a lot of ranch dressing. It's gluten-free, 1 gram of sugar. It's home. It's thick and creamy. Now today we're getting a good discount. $3.50 off the price. Might as well flip it over and check out those macros since we've been talking about macros this whole time. 120 calories per serving, 1 gram of carbs, 0 gram of protein. Yeah, why not? Add this to your carnivore diet or keto diet. There you go. $3.50 off the price, bringing it down to $8.49. So if you are looking for an alternative way to save some calories instead of consuming the ranch dressing, try this one out right here, right in front of us. Also from Hidden Valley, except this time we have their seasoning dip. So this is pretty great. Grab yourself a big bottle of Greek yogurt, have some of that with some of this, mix it up together, and you are good to go. 0 calories, only has 1 gram of carb. Now today it's also on sale, $3.50 off the price, $7.29. And next up, this time we have the Kraft graded Parmesan cheese. Check out the size of this bottle. It's huge, 24 ounces in total. It's 100% graded Parmesan cheese. Let's have a look at those macros on the back. 20 calories per serving, which is 2 teaspoons, has no carbs and 2 grams of protein. I do want to show you that price sign, so give me 1 second. Let me walk around this lady and have a look at that. So today they're giving us a great discount. They're taking $3 off the price, bringing it down to $5.39. And hang tight, friends, we're almost done with the video. Just a couple more items to get through. Right in front of us, we do have the palm olive on sale. They're ultra strength, so this one does instantly cut through grease. Now keep in mind, friends, it's tough on grease, but it's also tough on your hands as well. 102 fluid ounces here. Now I don't know why Costco forgot to change the price, but this is on sale, $2.50 off. I asked about it, it's on sale, so disregard this price sign. So today they're giving us a good discount, $2.50 off the price. That's going to bring it down to $6.49. And now for the ladies, we do have the Puma, the seamless sports bra. These are super popular. Now they do come in a 2-pack. Now what's nice about these, they have that convertible back design, which a lot of ladies love. You can crisscross, you can keep them straight. Also, keep in mind, friends, for $1 more, you can pick these up at Costco.com. And these do qualify for the mix and match, where you can potentially save $20 or $50 additional. So if you need 5 of these, you can save an additional $20 off, even though they're only $1 more there. Now the back you can see there is pretty awesome. Now we have 2 different color variations, $3 off the price, only $10.99 here at the warehouse, $11.99 at Costco.com. But remember, friends, it does qualify for the mix and match there. And just a quick couple more items to get through. We have this gazebo with an aluminum roof, 12 by 14. Check out that price, $300 off whether you buy here at Costco.com or the warehouse. Next, we have this Maui Resort package, another great deal. We have this nice cruise line for Norwegian Cruise Line. And then finally, our last deal for today, we have the Mexico all-inclusive package. Make sure you check out those deals. Also, we have a couple of pharmacy hot buys. Don't forget about those, friends. And then we have the member-only value. Check those out at Costco.com. Those are some great deals as well. Alright friends, end of the video here. If you did enjoy today's video and you do enjoy this type of content, make sure you subscribe to our channel. If you want to support me or the channel, all we ask is for that thumbs up button. If you want to leave a comment, that would be awesome. Don't forget to follow us over on Instagram at Watch the Deal Finder. Make sure you enter our giveaway. Hang tight, we will go over those giveaway details in just a moment. If not, I'll see you Monday morning, friends. Peace. And here we go, friends. Once again, with the giveaway details, we have the Lego carry-on and backpack luggage set, a value of $114.99. All the details will be over on my last Amazon video. Make sure you watch that video because I do have a secret code there that will give you an additional 3 entries. Go watch that video. All the details will be there. This is a great giveaway. It does end in just a couple of days. Make sure you enter. It's completely free. Support the channel and enter the giveaway. I'll see you Monday morning, friends, with a new video. Peace.